Guys, like I promised you, we're going to be doing our first keto treat reveal. How exciting! I have just come back from the store, from Foodline, my local Foodline, and I'm going to show you some snacks, some treats, some snacks to take to work or school or sports or any kind of activity, camping, for your kids' school lunchboxes. And these are some things that you can get from anywhere. You can get from Walmart, Sam's Club, Food Line, whatever, Costco. It's pretty easy. So I'm going to show you some drinks that are low carb and keto friendly that we can just grab on the go, put in our purse or our backpack. We have By Antioxidants Coconut Infusion. This is the first time that I have ever purchased this. It has 6 grams of carbohydrates, but then you minus the ethanol, which is 1 carb. So that there is a great drink. And coconut water, yum. Like a lot of these coconut waters are full of sugar, but this one is amazing. So I will let you know how I like it. Next, we have these waters. Now, they do come in a brand called Ice, I-C-E, but these are the Foodline brand. We have lemon flavored here, which I have had many, many times, and I love them. They are just like homemade lemonade. And we have chilled strawberry and kiwi fruit, which I haven't tried yet, but there's always a first, so that is great. You can take these in a cooler to work, to school. They're a perfect size. Now, guys, is the exciting part. Usually these are really expensive, and I haven't liked these in the past for some reason or another. But, you know, sometimes we need a quick snack and we need sugar. I'm not like sugar, but sometimes we just get an urge for something sweet. We don't want to be like grabbing a bunch of ingredients to make something. Am I right or am I wrong? We ladies and guys just want something quick on the go that we can just grab and take with us, have in our purse if we get that urge for a sugar craving. Quest bars. They are 20 grams of protein, and they are 5 net carbs. So we have the chocolate brownie, and actually at the moment they are 2 for $4 at Foodline for the week. So grab some. Usually they are very pricey. We have here cookies and cream, my husband's favorite. He loves these. We also have oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. Yum. I just went crazy on buying these, so I'm just going to show you. There's another brownie. And the blueberry muffin, oh my gosh, that just tastes like a blueberry muffin. It's amazing. So these have only 2 ethanols and 2 sugars. So really, they're not so bad. Oh, sorry, that's upside down. So really, they're not so bad. So grab you some while they are on sale at Foodline. They are on Foodline. Okay, so now I have teriyaki beef jerky. Now, I don't like this, but my husband likes this. So I just grabbed this for my husband, and he does like the teriyaki. So this is 6 grams of carbohydrates, and it has 1 dietary fiber, so that's 5, and it does have 5 sugars. So it's not the best, but yeah. Usually I would buy plain, but like I said, they're for my husband. So. Now, also, I have shown you the Heinz ketchup, the sugar-free Heinz ketchup before. and it's in a really tiny bottle. So at Foodline, I found this. Ta-da! Ka-ching! It's tomato ketchup. And for a whole bottle, it has 4 carbs and 3 sugars. So try this. It's only 90 cents. Only 90 cents. Now, the other deal is these nuts. Whole cashews. They are roasted and salted. I don't really suggest roasted. It's not so great. They are 8 carbs and 1 gram of dietary fiber. So there's 7. And you could just grab a few on the go. But these were 2 for 6. So I got 2, and we like almonds. Almonds are very good. And they lower your blood sugar. If you have 10 of these a night, they will lower your blood sugar. My husband does that. Now, I always have these in the house to cook. And I'm really rather annoyed because Foodline have increased the price on these. These are $3. You can get them for $2 something at Walmart. Sheets. So yeah, I'm really peeved that. Yeah, I'm really annoyed that these are $3 because they're not worth it. Now we have a mocha almond bar that is Atkins. They have 15 grams of protein, 3 net carbs, 1 sugar, and 11 fibers. I've never had these before, so we'll see. I do like the Atkins more than I like the Quest, but hey, the Quest were on sale. So that is our first keto treat reveal. I will be doing these maybe weekly, maybe monthly. It just depends. Money-wise, it depends. But I did a great, huge shop today. I just went crazy. I went crazy on meat. I went crazy on dairy, cream cheese. Oh, a lot of great stuff. A lot of keto great stuff. But anyway, so that's our first keto treat in the box. If you like this, please comment like. And if you want to see something that, or if you want to know what these waters are like, ask me and I'll tell you. Yes. I would have it right now, but it's not cold, so hope you enjoyed the reveal. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Take care, guys. Bye.